Hey guys, welcome back to Rise or Invest. Very happy to be back on the channel. Today I want to give an update on Sive Semiconductors. Sive Semiconductors is currently trading at about $68.90. I shared this video with you guys about 9 days ago on why I was so bullish on Sive Semiconductors. Since sharing this video, the market has actually pretty much re-rated Sive Semiconductors as we pumped from $50 to a high here at about $90. This entire crash right here was due to the report of the financials for Sive Semiconductors in Q1 over here, where actually there were a lot of weak financial data on Sive Semiconductors. I actually shared with my premium group members why we are so bullish on Sive Semiconductors despite this poor financial report, and I want to share it with you guys today. Of course, my premium group members will be able to access all this information much earlier, and that's why we also managed to enter Sive Semiconductors at a very low valuation. So for those of you who do not know, Sive Semiconductors is essentially a bet on AI photonics. So what is AI photonics? As AI data centers actually get built and they grow in size, they actually consist of not thousands of GPUs but potentially hundreds of thousands of GPUs. In order for these GPUs to communicate with each other, copper wires are no longer viable because they're too slow and they are not efficient in terms of energy usage. Therefore, this is the next viable solution, which is AI photonics, using photons or essentially optical lasers to help transmit this data so that GPUs are able to communicate with each other. Sive Semiconductors lies at the forefront of this solution because it provides lasers for this AI photonics to actually work in the near future. So this was the bet for Sive Semiconductors, and to me AI photonics is a clear bet, and I believe that AI photonics is the next viable and is pretty much the only route that AI data centers can actually take. Now the question is whether or not Sive Semiconductors will be the key forefront leader of this AI photonics. That's another question, but I want to explain to you guys why I'm still so bullish on Sive Semiconductors despite the poor financials. Okay, so pay attention. Before we begin, if you want to have access to my research and my market watch list, then you can join down below at riseorinvest.com. The link in the description down below. This is exactly how we enter all these stocks with high asymmetrical upside, and if you want to get in early, do join below today. Okay, so let's not waste any more time. I actually shared with my premium group members on the financial report a few days ago, and I want to go through with you guys what exactly I shared with them. Okay, so these are all the key bull points. I'll be sharing it with you guys later, but let's take a look at the bare but pertinent points. In essence, right, the Sive Semiconductors company has very poor valuations, and I'm very open about it, right? Q1 net sales in 2026 fell 22% year on year to SEK 61.9 M. Photonics revenue fell 32%, wireless revenue fell 16%, adjusted EBITDA again worse at about 13.8 million negative, and the operating cash flow sits at about 49.2 mil, and the cash quarter at the end of the very quarter was about 26.6 million, right? So overall, I mentioned over here that the current revenue, margin, and cash flow do not support the valuation of Sive Semiconductors, and this is a big problem, right? Because it's no longer a clean bet. But I mentioned that you have to have the belief that the management and ability to convert this $800 million pipeline into real products. I again ended off here with the thesis that it's a long-term hold. The risk of a short-term sell-off is high, and that's exactly what occurred just a few days back, where Sive Semiconductors actually sold off from $90 over to $60 over. But I mentioned that I'm bullish, I'm not selling, I'm only accumulating. Okay, I'm just sharing this so that I'm clear and transparent with you guys, and I want you guys to really understand how my thought process is like, because this is exactly how we identify asymmetrical opportunities in this market right here. Okay, so first things first, I want to reconvene everyone and to get back onto the same page. So AI photonics is a clear bet for me, right? Because in my opinion, there's literally no way that copper wires will be able to supply the communication and efficiency needed for these AI data centers. AI photonics is a clear bet, and AI photonics is a must in the next 1 or 2 years. The question now is that will Sive Semiconductors be the AI photonics bet? My opinion is that it will be, because of a few key report findings that I'm seeing in the financials. Again, I've already explained how the financials are utterly trash right now, but I've really seen the forecasting and forward-looking thesis of Sive Semiconductors. So I hope that you can keep up with me over here. Again, guys, if you have any questions, do drop in the comment section down below. I think it's important that you understand the thesis, because that is more important than the price itself. Sive Semiconductors is currently about $2 billion. It really can grow much, much bigger. Okay, so the first thing I want to explain to you guys is the validation. With every single sector, for example, AI photonics, there are pretty much 5 to 10 companies fighting, right, for the number one spot. And the most important thing that we are seeing at this point in time is that Sive Semiconductors has the validation over here. This is because Jabil developed 1.6T optical transceiver using Sive Semiconductors technology. And this is the article right here. Again, let me read it out for you guys over here. Sive Semiconductors today announced a collaboration with Jabil, a global engineering supply chain and manufacturing solutions provider. Through this collaboration, Jabil plans to develop a 1.6T linear receive optical transceiver module using Sive's high-performance distributed feedback lasers. The new pluggable module will provide high-energy efficient optical interconnect speeds to accelerate deployment for the next generation hyperscale AI data centers. Okay, so there is a validation that people are utilizing Sive Semiconductors technology for the purpose of the next hyperscale AI data centers. And again, what did I mention to you guys? AI photonics is a clear bet for me. You can already see adoption and uptake of the AI photonics itself. But which company is undergoing the validation and which company is the chosen company? Right now, it's Sive Semiconductors. All these have not played out, right? The AI data centers have not scaled. The technology is getting adopted, but it has not been rolled out in full force. And this is exactly where we want to be, because once all the AI data centers have scaled, once the technology is already used and utilized within these data centers, then obviously the price is not going to be so low. It's going to be much, much higher. Our main thesis is to have a forward-looking thesis in order to capture this kind of opportunities. Okay. Now, the next thing I want to share with you guys is that the year-to-date growth of 77% opportunity pipeline is in play. So let me read this out for you guys over here in the interim report. So Sive Semiconductors, a global leader in photonics and wireless technology today, announced financial results for Q1 2026, including a year-to-date growth of 77% in its opportunity pipeline to 799 million compared to end of 2025. So this is despite the poor financial report over here. We know that Sive Semiconductors actually have an opportunity pipeline of 800 million, right? And this is why I actually shared with my premium group members over here that although these are bearish and pertinent points in terms of the valuation, we see that the opportunity pipeline, the Jabil collaboration are actually key hints, right? That the market is hinting to you right now that although the valuations suck based on the past year, the market is forward-looking and it's starting to adopt Sive Semiconductors technology into AI data centers hyperscaling, right? And opportunity pipeline growing 77% year-to-date to 799 million indicates to me that the forecasting of opportunities is pretty much all directed at Sive Semiconductors. So what I'm trying to share with you guys right here is that although the market has not realized this yet, the market will soon realize within the next 1 or 2 years that Sive Semiconductors is the essential choke point and bottleneck to AI photonics itself. And I think that this is a really important point to understand, because at the current moment in time, when I'm sharing with you guys all this information, people are really too focused on the poor financials. And this is natural to have poor financials because these rollouts are not being adopted in the market right now. But these rollouts will be adopted in the market because, as I explained, AI photonics is a clear bet for me. There is simply no way that copper wires will be able to function with such large data centers. AI photonics is the way, and it will be the way. It is inevitable, in my opinion. And therefore, given the fact that it's inevitable, given the fact that the opportunity pipeline grew 77% year to date at 799 million, given the fact that the largest global supply chain, Jabil, is collaborating on using Sive Semiconductors technology, it's a clear sign to me that Sive Semiconductors is a win in the future. Of course, this is a second to third order effect, and that is exactly why we have identified this as an asymmetrical opportunity, because other people have not identified it just yet. Alright? So all in all, I just hope that you guys will be able to understand this point. Happy to hear your thoughts and your concerns, and I'll help to address anything that you really have or any burning questions down below in the comment section. Okay, all in all, I'm still very bullish on Sive Semiconductors. This sell-off, I think it's a good opportunity for you to buy Sive Semiconductors, and I'm still very, very bullish. I'm not selling, and I'm only accumulating. In terms of the technicals itself, you can see that there is again a massive Class A bearish divergence forming on Sive Semiconductors, with higher highs on the price action and lower highs on the RSI itself. So definitely this sort of a price action is not sustainable, but whenever it resets and the market actually realizes this thesis, I have a good feeling that Sive Semiconductors is going to re-rate much higher. At minimum, I think that $20 billion in terms of the market cap is definitely doable. Take a look at the other memory choke points. For example, Micron Technology, which is trading at about 1 trillion market cap. And Sive Semiconductors is only $2 billion market cap. I think that the upside is really asymmetrical, and that there's really a lot of opportunity for Sive Semiconductors to explode in the immediate short term. Okay. Thank you all for watching today's video. I hope that this video is able to alleviate some concerns that you guys have, but I'm always happy to hear your thoughts, so do share in the comment section down below as well. For those of you who want to have access to my research and want to have access to such stocks early, then do join below at risoinvest.com. Currently, I'm researching on humanoid robotics, and I've released 2 more 100x stocks to my premium group members down below that I believe have high asymmetrical opportunities and have the ability to have large amount of gains in the short term. So that'll be all for today's video, and as always, invest safe.